Hello guys, thanks to our Vodafone friends, we have this Samsung Galaxy H7 for tests. So this video will be a reference point for any tests you probably will require for us to make with this device. And we're calling this one a box opening because basically that's what we're going to do in this video. Later on we'll try to install the Android 7 on S7, so there will be another video for this. So let's start. It's the box, it's quite a good one, like a premium one. So let's see what's in it. Of course we have the device here, that's the Edge version as I said, the big one. Heavy, but not very heavy, stays quite good in the hand. Yeah, looks pretty good. Of course it looks almost like the S6, just I'm saying almost to avoid saying that it's exactly like the S6. So we have some paperwork here. We have the pin for getting the SIM card, swap out. We have a few other stuff. So charging cable, standard. This little converter, the charger itself, the fast charging one, and I'm pretty sure what's in this box, yes, the plugs. So unlike the iPhone, you have different sizes here, as you can see, because Apple for some reason believe that everyone has the same ears. I don't know. So yeah, that's it in the box. As I said, the idea of this video is just to be a reference point for you to add your comments and requests in the comment section. And yeah, hopefully we'll be able to install the Android 7 and we'll make reviews of those tests with Android 7 of course. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, thumbs up and see you next one. Bye bye.